Welcome to my diary. I am Mahesh. Today I am going to unboxing Canon 200D II camera. So, what you got inside here? See, I am going to unboxing. That's one. Okay. This one good. Water level also got. See, you can balance in one. This one too. Okay. See how low can on this one. Pull. That means around 7 mm. Okay. What was? I open other things like this. So this one. Here. So I'm going to unboxing. Yes. This one. Here. This one. Canon original bag. This is the camera cord. This one the legs one. Okay. This one also very nice. This one very big, so easily cannot scratch. I cannot. Very safety here. This one bigger. Okay. This one also I keep side. Now our last is here. Done. Yes. It's the Canon 200D IR. Okay. I'm going to this one out. Okay. This one also out. Okay. Now this one. Now final camera of EOS 200D II. You can see. EOS 18 to 55 is template and 24.1 megapixel is camera. 24.1 megapixel. Then ISO 55,600 short and 12,800 videos. Dual pixel, 4K, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth can support one. Okay. See, they're very nice. Let's go. Okay, now going to open the side here. What it things out? Yes, this is the invoice paper. This one invoice. Okay, straight. This one camera lens head. Okay. This one 32 GB memory card. See, the stone 100 MB per second. What is this? Warranty card for 3 years. You can see warranty card. Okay. This is book. Don't be lazy to read the book first before using this camera. Okay. Okay. I keep out this book side first. I'm going to open it. Okay. This is nothing. Just skip. Now coming inside. Oh. This one a battery. Some very high powerful battery. Okay. Yes. This is our final destination. Okay. Yes. Oh. 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 Yes. This is the Canon 200D II camera. Okay. Open. Let's see inside. This is the cap. Let's close first. Okay. Entering. Okay. This screen is the full level. Okay. You can pull out and you can rotate your stress. What you want to like. You can rotate and push back. Okay. This is a rotate screen. Open here. You like whatever you want to. This font size, this. Okay. Then rotate down. Okay. This is a jack port. Okay. One mic and one earphone jack. Okay. This is the rubber holder. Okay. Okay. This one also. I keep side first. I open another one. Yes. Printing. This is the lens. Okay. I have one. Oh. 18 to 55 mm lens. Okay. Now this is lens cap open. Printing. Oh, what a beautiful lens. Pull this lens with camera. I put that. Huh? Then see the white line. White line. Yes. Six. Oh wow, these are lens. Okay. And one more thing, yes. This is a charging box. Yeah. Battery charger, charger adapter, and this is a charging cable. Yes, one more thing here. Yes. This is a printing. Okay. Okay. Now I go to put a battery inside and a memory card. Okay. I put battery first. This part is the battery for. Just pull back. Lock. Okay. Going to battery inside here. Put here. Battery put, and one thing I need to put here. Memory card. Now put a memory card here and this way. Okay. See this way here and see. Yes. Okay. So okay, now I'm going to on. Yes. And this one showing you time and everything. This is the screen toss. Oh, nice. Okay, and normal this one, and then okay, I'm just going to set cache window. Time right now the 9:45. Oh, battery down. So now I cannot shoot anymore. Okay, battery total down. Okay, I'll make another video again. This I'm going to back and charge my backup battery. So see you next video. I cannot provide the full detail on this video because of the now cannot shot the picture right now because this is already battery shut down. So this one camera is can record 4K videos. Then this 24.1 megapixel camera. Then this model is the EOS 200D II. This is the most beautiful camera. You can see. This is the everything you got. I stabilize photo video. I have more lens and you can see the up to camera here. So now bye bye.